Hello everyone, welcome to GRECORE. I'm Lazarus Ebubechukwu, the founder of GRECORE Logic Limited, popularly known as GRECORE. So if you are looking to learn front-end web development from scratch, you are in the right place. Let me quickly show you what you'll be learning. Now come to your web browser, search for grecore.com.ng or just search for GRECORE. You are going to be seeing our official website link. Then you click on it to visit or just search for grecore.com.ng. Alright, so if you are a new user, you just click on learning tracks. Then you are going to see our available track. Alright, then you can click to enroll. Alright, but I already have a paid student account, so I'm going to be logging in. I'm not going to register because I've already registered previously. Okay. Alright, so this is our student dashboard here. As you can see here, this is our student dashboard. This is our sidebar and their respective links. Okay, you can see this is a paid account for front-end web development. You can see here, you can see paid here. You can still see what paid here also. Alright, so I'm going to be walking you through our modules for front-end web development, and the first module here is HTML. Now in this HTML here, this is where you learn how to structure web pages. Alright, so I'm just going to walk you through. You can see the lessons here. Alright, so let me just play this one here. I change this back. You cannot see it. Okay, so it's very what case sensitive. Alright, so you can also see that we have what notes also for it. So each lesson include video tutorials. They include practical examples also. They include assignment. They also include resources to help you practice. Alright, so you can see. Okay, so let's go back. Now for this CSS module, this is where you learn how to make your website look what beautiful. Alright, this is where you learn how to make your website look beautiful, how to style your web pages and all of that. On this one here, right? Alright, so any font of your choice that you want, just come to search for Google font, then into. Alright, so remember this course is designed for complete beginners. Everything is arranged step by step, so you don't need any prior experience. Alright, you don't need any prior experience as this course is what's designed for what beginners. Alright, now these are our JavaScript lessons here. And in this JavaScript, this is where you learn about interactivity and dynamic features, how to implement different interactive functions, how to implement and different features on your website. All right. Good everyone. Welcome to today's end of that to lowercase. We're going to convert it to lowercase. Then let's assign it to a variable instead of using break line. Okay. All right. So let's search for the input field. We can off the what autocomplete. We can say autocomplete off. All right. So we off the autocomplete and even the what autocorrect. Okay. So yeah, let's say you can see it. All right. So we can say Adams. All right, and you can see a brief note on it. Like I said, this is what design for what for beginners. All right, so you don't need any prior experience. You can see from intro to JavaScript down to lesson lesson 65. All right. All right, good everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. Now down here, toggle dot class list dot add. We are going to add this new class, and yeah, var hyphen I hyphen slash. All right. So let's go back and let's see. So let's say 111.222. So you can now see. Sorry, 111.222. You can see it. All right. For the border radius. All right. So let me just format this document so you see. Um, let's see the code once more. You can see. All right. All right. We also have the how to module where you learn how to implement some core web functionalities. Now, using the CDN link is the easiest, is also the fastest. Do this, all right? Like, let's click on this. Now you can, let me zoom in, like you see. Okay, so now you can see it here. Okay, okay. You can even type your home here if you want, that is if you choose to. All right. Okay, good. Sidebar shows you should shift this shift and yeah, I'm just going to be giving it inline styling, test align, justify. Okay, I'm going to copy this my but the sidebar is what fixed. Okay, that's the work of this our position here. This position here fixed. That is the work. Okay, and see the content I was scrollable, but this our sidebar. and you can see. Alright, so we also have exams, progress tracking, and a certificate after completion, after you've taken the exams. And we also have our support system. Whenever you need help, we're always there for you. You can see our closed WhatsApp group here. You can see our link to also join live sessions. Periodically we do have live sessions to trash any issue that you have in the course of learning, or you can also still reach out to you can also join our support WhatsApp support group here. All right, where you can drop your questions also. Now this is our exam section here, and for this test purpose we only have 5 questions. All right, so this is going to be nothing less than 40 questions, but for test purpose we set it to be what, 5. All right. So you can only generate your certificate when you've taken all the exams. All right, when you've taken all the exams and you passed what, our exams. Okay. All right. So this supposed to be break, but let's just click on this. All right, so that I'm going to show you our review section also, where you can review your scores. All right. Okay, so once you are done here, you can still come here to review your results. Let me just go to the one we failed. Okay, so you can see the correct answer here, break. All right, remember you can switch to light or dark mode. So when you are done, then you come here, click on generate certificate, then you click on front end web development, which is the enrolled course. Then you click on this, you can see. So let's open it. All right, so you can see our certificates. All right, so this is our certificate of completion. So when you are done taking the lessons, answering our questions, and you passed, all right, you'll not be able to what, to have our what, certificate. All right, and anybody can scan this QR code to verify if your certificate is what authentic and is being validated by us. All right, so this is all what you'll be having when you enroll for our front end web development course. So if you are ready to start your web development journey, if you are ready to if you are ready to start your web development journey, enroll today and let's build your skills together. I will see you inside the course. Don't forget GRECORE, learn, build and innovate.